All right, boys and girls, today I'm going to just review a little bit of what we went over in class. So, making sure that you add your name there, okay? Making sure that you add your own state name. Okay, we went over how you can highlight and you can change up here the font size and the font writing. So if you didn't like the cursive one, maybe you want something a little bit more skinny. Okay, so up here is how you are going to change your font. And again, this is for you to be creative, for you to do different fonts on different slides and play around with how to change the color. If this is too big, you come up here to the size, font size. The minus sign is going to make it smaller for you. The plus sign is going to make it larger for you. Okay, so that is font size and changing the font. Also, why it's highlighted, if you come over here to the more, the three little dots, you can change the font color, okay, the text color. So it's an A with a line underneath it, and whatever color is underneath it is what color your font is right now. Maybe you didn't like it red, that was too much red, so you want to change it to blue. I kind of like the red a little bit more, so I'm going to go back to, yep, I like that. Okay, so you can change text color, you can change the font, and you can change the font size. So that's how you do that. Over here, on this first side, I need to see an actual image of your state. Okay, so I am going to remove this so I can redo it for you. If you come up here to the little box and it looks like clouds, it's hard for you to see it, but it says image. If you click on image, your screen might look a little bit different when you pop it up. Some of yours might come over here on the left-hand side. That's just the way my computer is. You're going to press search if yours looks like this. Some of yours will just pop up and it will be search right there. Remember, I am doing California as an example, California state image. Okay, it will take a second. I need to see the actual image of your state. So there's a bunch of them here. Oh, I kind of like that one too, actually. See if I can find the one that I originally had. I looked up that on the internet. So if you see here, maybe you don't like any of these. Okay, maybe you do. So let's just, for the sake of being here, I'm going to go with this one. Once you click it, and you're going to see the blue box, that means that that's what you want to insert. You're going to come here to select. Okay, you can play around with the size, you can move it, you click it and drag it where you would like it. Okay, maybe that's too big, so you're gonna see how my cursor changes, change it, maybe a little bit smaller, okay, center it. Now I'm not really a big fan of that one. So let's see if when I am working on this, if you can see this. I believe you're going to be able to. I'm gonna go to image, oops, state image of California. And it's going to take a second to load because I am recording. Should have maybe already had it up. I'm impatient when it comes to this stuff. There we go. And you can also do it this way where you come to images. And there we go. I like this one better. Okay. So I chose this one. If you click on that, you're going to see it kind of pop up a little bit larger. You're going to right click. I don't know if you can see what I see, but once you right click, another box appears with open, save, copy, open, save, copy, copy, search. Okay. So you're going to scroll down once you right click it and you see this next button appear. I don't believe you're going to be able to see it on the recording, but I'm going to pick the one that says copy image. That is going to copy this image. I'm going to come back to my project and I am going to, you can right click again and press paste, or you can just do Control V. Control V is pasting. Control C is copying. And what I mean by that is there's a control button on your computer. Control, you're going to hold down Control and C to copy. And you're going to hold down Control and V to paste. Okay, now this is too small for me, so I'm going to drag it over in the middle, and I'm going to pull to make the image larger. I'm going to pull it to make it a little bit longer. Okay, that is going to be my image of my state. State capital, I want to see a picture of the actual capital and your state seal. Okay, so again, I'm going to delete these for the sake of showing you. I'm going to click right here. I'm going to come again to my images, and I am going to delete that and do California state capital. And a few images pull up. You do need to know what your state capital looks like. Maybe building. That will help you a little bit more. So there's another picture. Again, I don't think that these have the best images. I like coming here and state. I like just searching it into Google. And there's a bunch that came up. Okay, so I think these are much prettier than the ones that are coming up here. So yes, this might be easier. Yes, it's the convenience of it, but it's not always going to give you the best pictures. Like this is not the state capitol building. This is the Golden Gate Bridge. Yes, it's in California. Sometimes there's going to be things. This is in LA. This is in Hollywood, not very close to our state building. Okay, so I like this over here better. I like this one the most. It's what I had on there before. So I'm going to click on it. Again, I'm going to right click. I'm going to do copy image. I'm going to come back to my state project, close out of that because I didn't like that. Right here is where I want to paste it. I'm going to do Control V. Too big. So I got to make this smaller. I got to downsize, make her a little bit skinnier. There we go. Or bring her in a little bit. Okay, and doing the same thing with the state seal. I will try it. Whoops, I will try it here. And it's actually already right up there because I had used it already. Well, it's actually this one right here, but you can come in here and do California state seal. Remember, whatever state you are using, you are replacing that with the word California. Don't type in this because this is the state that I'm using for your example. Okay, so you're going to type in New Hampshire, New Jersey, Idaho, Texas. Whatever state you're doing is what you are replacing California with. All right, the Great Seal of the state of California. Now, granted, a lot of these are state seals, okay, that have been in the past, but you do need to know what your state seal looks like. So if you aren't sure with it, because look, you're like, I don't know which one it is, you may need to come over here and do state of California seal. And come over here to find what it actually looks like. And that is going to be our project.